Now let's talk about the mistakes that people make when choosing a side hustle. So the first thing that they do is they expect overnight success. Okay, none of these are gonna make you a significant amount of money overnight. That's just not gonna happen. If somebody's telling you that's gonna happen, they're lying to your face. You're not gonna make money overnight. Each of these businesses, aside from freelancing where, as long as you can get your gig in front of the right people right away, you can start getting paid right away. All of the other businesses are gonna require months of hard work where you're getting paid nothing before you start seeing any level of success. And when that success does come in, it's like minuscule. And then one day overnight, it's like boom. But that's months down the road. So you have to understand that. The learning tax will be paid. It doesn't matter which one of these you choose, you're gonna suck at all of them in the beginning. So you're gonna pay the learning tax on every single one. So my best advice I can give you is I don't care which one you pick, but pick one and stick to it for at least 6 months. Some of them are gonna require like closer to 12 months, like FBA is probably gonna require closer to 12 months for you to actually get it going and understand what you're doing. Whereas KDP is only gonna take you, 6 months to get your first like 2 books out so you understand what you're doing. But you gotta commit to it at least 6 months. And I think what is possibly the biggest mistake somebody can make is trying multiple ones at once. The dumbest thing you can do right now is say, I'm gonna go do this and I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna start Amazon KDP and I'm gonna start Amazon FBA. I'm gonna start affiliate marketing and I'm gonna start Amazon. You're never gonna find any success like that, right? There's that ancient Chinese proverb, right? The man who chases 2 rabbits gets none. It's the exact same thing here. Pick one, commit to it for 6 months, and then make a decision if you wanna keep going or if you should switch gears then. But don't try to do that stupid thing of trying this and trying this. Your feet are in both. Don't do that, just commit to one. You're gonna hit success way faster this way. Now, the only one that's a little different, right, is YouTube, right? Because YouTube, you're gonna be making videos, but you're also gonna be either, selling a course, but you have to be good at something to sell a course first. So you're gonna be doing like affiliate marketing, right? So you're gonna be promoting other people's products on your YouTube channel or something like that. So like that's the only one that you kind of mix into with both, but you guys understand what I mean.